Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to make a box plot. The first thing you need to do before you actually go into your Google Slides, because you need to make the chart on Google Sheets before you're able to put it into your slideshow. So you go to Google Sheets, I'm going to look it up, and just click on the first one and press go to Google Sheets. So I go ahead and get into my email. Okay, so you're going to just open up a blank one and you are going to just title it Graphing Project. I'm going to put Boxplot so I know this is the one I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm going to put my data set, and these are the numbers that you recorded from your data set, so you should have them organized on your paper. So I'm going to make up some numbers, pretend like I collected them. It's my data set. Oops, that's a really big number. And you're going to have 20, but I'm just going to do a few here for the sake of time. Okay, so you've got all of your data set and you should have 20 numbers, so we'll go down to about 21. So make sure to have the first box be data set and then you have all your numbers. Okay, now there's a couple of things you will need to do. So you're going to need to do the minimum. You're going to need to write in a square the quartile, lower quartile, and then upper quartile, and then maximum, just like I just did right there. Okay, so you're gonna have to watch carefully as to what I put in these boxes, because if you don't put it in perfect, then your graph won't work. So you're gonna put an equal sign, and then you're gonna type in just min, so min. So it'll drop down right here, and it says minimum value in a numerical data set. You're gonna click that one, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on your first number in your data set, hold down the shift button, and then click on the last number in your data set. All right? And then you can see that it highlighted those in orange, and then I'm just going to put a closing parenthesis right here. And I did that by holding down shift and clicking 0. Okay? So that one's all done. It should pop up a number right there. That means it's the lowest number in your data set, which makes sense because it looks like 24 is the lowest number. Okay, now we're going to do the lower quartile. So what you're going to type in is equal sign, quartile, pops up right here. It should say value nearest to a specific quartile of data set. And I'm going to click on that. Okay, so you are going to, again, highlight your data, first number, click on it, hold down the shift button, and then click on the last number in your data set. You're going to put a comma and then 1. Okay? Close with the parenthesis. That's saying that it's looking at the first part of your data set and making a lower quartile out of it. All right, you're all done with your lower quartile. Now we're going to move on to upper quartile. So you're going to click on this box, put an equal sign, type in quartile again, value nearest to a specific quartile of a data set, click on that, highlight your data, click on the first number, hold down shift, click on the last number in your data set, comma, 3. And then close parenthesis. All right. Last one is maximum. You're going to put an equal sign, maximum, so just max, and it'll be the first one, maximum value in a numerical data set. You're going to hold down the first, or click on the first one, hold down shift, click on the last one. This is finding the highest number in your data set. So what was the biggest number you got? So the maximum in all of your numbers. Okay, so you're going to close with the close parenthesis and just click out, and it should have a number there. Okay, so we've got our 4 things. Now in this box right here, I'm going to type in what's going to go along the bottom. So I'm just going to write in data set. Okay, now I'm going to click on that title right here that we just put in, hold down shift, and go all the way to the number of the maximum. You're not highlighting the numbers up here or the words up here, just data set and then highlight to the last number. Okay, so we have those boxes highlighted. You're going to click on insert, chart, and it comes up with a bar graph, but we're going to change the one that we use. So we've got chart type right here. We're going to go ahead and click on it. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, under other, there's one that says candlestick chart. Now candlestick chart is just a box plot, like vertical instead of horizontal. So we're going to click on that, and it looks like it's good to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it, copy, so Control C, or if you want, you can do Control, so right click, and then, oh, you know what, maybe I could just go to File, or Edit, Copy, and then I'm going to open a new tab and go to Google Slides. So you could have already had this open on another tab, but I haven't started the project, the slideshow that I would use in this project, so I'm going to just show you how you would put it into a slideshow. Okay, so this is a new slideshow I made. I'm going to press Edit and Paste. Okay, so it's wanting to paste a chart. It's asking me a question though. So it's saying link to spreadsheet. You're going to keep that clicked and press paste. And there is your Boxplot. So perfect. So you can change it around and move it how you need to. But if you need to make changes, you can press open source and it will open up your data set right here if you need to change it at all. So that is how you make a box plot on Google Sheets to put into your presentation.